So yang ni bab 7. Okay. Chapter 7 our apa nama dia chapter 7 ni? Geometry coordinate. Geometry coordinate geometry. Okay lah. Okay. So we are going to solve the problems. The diagram shows straight line AC. Okay, AC there intersect the x-axis. What does it mean by intersect?
Dia macam bertembung cross.
Our y going to be 0. Ingat yang tu. Ingat yang tu. Bila intersect at x, our y going to be 0. If intersects at y, our x is going to be 0. Kan? Okay. Given that the equation of straight line AC is 3x plus 2y equals to 18. Okay. So we are going to find the coordinates of point B. Of course, point B you can have it by substitute into our equation straight away. Boleh? We know what? What did we know? The B there, the point B there, we are going to have our x value only. Am I right? Our y going to be 0. So we know that our B here, we don't know our x, but we know that our y here is going to be 0. So we are going to substitute into our equation. Why did we want to substitute into the equation, girls? Because point P lies on our straight line. Our point P, dia terletak dekat atas garisan AC tu. Kalau dia terletak atas garisan AC, means that is going to be satisfy our equation of the straight line. Boleh? That's what we are going to substitute. So you are going to get over here 3. We don't know our x plus 2. We know that our y here is going to be 0 equals to 18. 2 times 0, 0. 3 bring to the other side, divide. So we are going to get our x value here is going to be 6. I'm here. What are you looking at there? Okay, is it answer our question?
No.
Why?
Because they want the coordinate.
Yes, supposedly we are going to say B here is going to be 6, 0. This one going to be your answer lah. If you are going to give only 6 there, it's not going to be our final answer. Okay. Next. Fine.
Dah tulis 60 je, dah makan juga.
60 dalam kurungan. Boleh? Okay, find the coordinate of point C if A, B to BC is 1, 2, 4. What does it mean 1, 2, 4 there? Yes, that's gonna be for our M and N. Okay, by using our formula. Remember the formula? Mana dia? Mana formula? Wait, saya rasa saya ada simpan dekat sini semalam. Semalam mana dia? Kita pakai semalam. Tembereng. This one. Sekejap. Mana? Okay. So the formula is given here. Okay, we know you are going to have what? You are going to have over here. Okay, P there is going to be what? Actually, girls.
C.
That's going to be our B. P is going to be in the middle, not in the middle lah, in between of our A and B. A and C previously kan? Betul tak? Betul tak? Kalau ikut kan. So P here is going to be our B actually. B 6 0 equals to. So just now I state already this is going to be m, this is going to be n, right?
Yes.
So n here is going to be for x1. Okay, so we are going to have our a here is going to be x1 and y1. Can? Okay, means that what happened here, our c here going to be x2, y2. Can, girls? Okay, so we are going to substitute over here. X1 here is going to be 8 plus our m here is going to be 1 times x2 here we don't know, we just put x. Can? Over m plus n, you are going to get 5 straight away. Okay, comma. Okay, then we are going to use the formula again. Substitute. Our n here is going to be 4 y1. y1. Yes, negative 3 plus with our m here is going to be 1 and your y2. Did you know your y2? No, just put y over here over 5. Can, girls? So, if you look carefully over here, you got already what? Equation, which means everything here going to be equals to what? 6. So, I'm going to take my 5 over here, divide, bring to the other side, it's going to be times with 6. I'm going to get over here 30 equals to 4 times 8.
4 times 8.
32 plus with 1 times x, you're going to get x. Means that your x over here, bring 32 to the other side, is going to be minus. So you're going to get negative 2 for your x there. Can, girls? After that, we are going to have our y here. So this is going to be the same with 0. So 5 bring to the other side is going to be 5 times 0 is going to be 0 equals to 4 times with negative 3 is going to be negative 12 plus with 1 times y, bring negative 12 to the other side, you're going to get y here is going to be 12. Is it going to be our answer? 10. Why? Yes, the coordinate of our c here going to be negative 12. So that's going to be for our second answer. Huh? Okay, can I proceed to the third one? Okay, the third one here, find the equation of straight line which pass through point B and perpendicular to AC. What does it mean by perpendicular?
Equals to negative 1. Yeah, M2 equals to negative 1.
Okay. Previously, we know already when we have M1 equals to M2, it's going to be
Negative 1.
parallel. M1 equals to M2.
Yes.
Parallel. This one is given to us perpendicular. So you are going to have over here M1 times with M2 equals to negative 1. Okay. So how did I want to find my first gradient? By looking at our equation of straight line. There. Yes, 3x plus 2y equals to 18. This one is going to be your AC. Am I right? Okay, it's like this lah, girls. It's like this. This is going to be your AC. Right? Right? It's given to us, the equation is going to be 3x plus 2y equals to 18. And what we have over here, that our coordinate B here, right? Right? So what you know, you are going to get another straight line that are going to be perpendicular. So perpendicular is going to be 90 degree lah. Right? Okay. So if you have over here, I'm going to denote this one as our gradient of AC first. I want to find my, not MAC, gradient. M M is gradient for the straight line AC. By using the what? This equation of straight line. Is it our gradient is 3?
No.
Why? Yes. If you remember, we are gonna have our okay, equation of straight line. Okay, the general form here. So, what should we do first over here? I'm going to bring my 3x to the other side. I'm going to get 2y equals to negative 3x plus with 18. Then, I'm going to make my y here become coefficient of positive 1. Right? So, we are going to divide by 2. 18 divided by 2? 9. So where your gradient?
Negative 3/2.
Yes, this is going to be your gradient. The first gradient.
Negative 3/2.
Yes.
M1
M1 lah or MAC there. Can? Okay. So what we know that just now you just tell me that gradient, the first gradient which is our AC here is going to be our first gradient times with the second gradient which is M2, you are going to get negative 1. Am I right?
Yes.
So can I find my M2 here?
Negative 1.
This is going to be your M1 kan?
Yes.
So I just bring M1 to the other side. What happened to our fraction? Terbalik kan? So your M2 here going to be negative 1 times with what? Negative 2 over 3 kan? Mana? M2? Oh, this one kan kita tadi cakap kalau dia perpendicular M1 times M2 you are going to get negative 1 kan? Okay. So supposedly dekat sini kita dah dapat apa kelas?
M1.
You dah dapat M1 ni. Ni M1 you.
Cikgu bawa dia.
Ya, saya bawa dia. Ni M1. So M1 I put over here negative 3 over 2 times with our M2 there. Kan? They are going to be equals to negative 1. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to bring my negative 3 over 2 to the other side. Negative tak jadi positif here. Negative tak jadi positif. What happen over here is going to be our fraction only yang akan ubah. Boleh? Then what happen over here? You are going to get 2 over. Yes. So the second gradient here you are going to get 2 over 3. The question, look back at the question. What does it state? Girls, it state what? Yes, we are going to find the equation. The equation you have over here is the info you have over here only your gradient, right? And one more you have over there is what? Why y equals to 0? Yes, because point B is gonna lies on our straight line there, right? For our second straight line, which is our perpendicular line there, right? So what we have over here, you are going to have your point B. Point B berapa tadi? 6, 0. Okay. And then we have our gradient is 2 over 3. What I'm going to do over here, we are going to find our C. Kan? Ingat balik tak? Y going to be 0. Kan? Equals to gradient 2 over 3. X we have over here is 6. What we are going to find here is going to be our y-intercept C. So 3 and 6, 1 and 2. 2 times 2 is going to be 4 bring to the other side. So you're going to get C here is going to be negative 4. What does it mean? You have already all you need. Gradient y-intercept. Y dengan X jangan gantikan. Kan? So you are going to have over here y equals to gradient 2 over 3x. Your y-intercept is negative 4. Minus 4. So this is going to be your second equation of straight line that perpendicular to our 3x plus 2y equals to 80 just now. Okay? Okay, we are going to look at our questions B here, still number 8. Okay, the diagram shows a quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, where our C is going to be lies on the x-axis. Nampak tak dia bagi dah? That's you have to bear on in your mind that our C here is going to be what? Tu dah bagi dah.
Lies on x-axis.
Tu dah bagi dah.
Lies on x-axis.
Tak habis-habis. Dia kena dia apa? 30 lah koordinat dia. Dia tak bagi tapi dia tunjuk je. Cik, dia tunjuk. Okay, the equation of straight line AB. AB is y equals to 6x plus 18. Okay, where is going to be our equation here? The equation of straight line AB. AB here. AB here. Okay, line AC bisects line BD at point M and AM to MC. AM to MC is given over here 1, 2, 2. So this one going to be your M and N. Saya suka bila you baca, you faham. Go. The first aircon. Switch off. Thank you. Okay. I think the switch in my room. I think lah. Okay. Find the coordinate of M. Where's your M?
In the middle.
Between our A and C. That's why I said to you just now, you must know the coordinate for our C, kan? Yes. So we are gonna have over here. Kejap saya ambil balik. Ambil berdosa. Boleh je. Okay. Mana dia? Okay, so I'm gonna have over here my point A first. A is gonna be negative 39, which means x1 and y1. And then for our C here, 3, 0. This is going to be our x2, y2. And then what did we have? One more here is going to be our m to n, which means you are going to get over here 1, 2, 1, 2, 2. Everything we are going to what? Yes, substitute to get our point. Point apa?
Point M.
Yes, this is going to be point M, which is our P here lah kan. So M, X, Y. You are going to have over here our N2, our X1 negative 3, plus our M here is 1, our X2 here is going to be 3, over
2 plus 1, 3.
Yes, comma. Then you are going to get the same one, 2, and then y1, 9, plus 1 and 0, and we are going to divide it by, again by 3, kan? Yes, you're going to get over here, negative 1, 6. Okay, girls. Okay, that's going to be our first answer. The coordinate of point M. Okay, next question. We're going to find our equation of line AC. AC. The equation. The equation. Again. Apa? Y equals to mx plus c. So if we are going to find our equation of straight line, girls, what must we find? Yes. By substitute the gradient here, you are going to use the formula of gradient, kan? Already we have, right? Just substitute into our equation. 0 minus with 9 over 3 minus with negative 3. So negative 9 divided by 6, you are going to get negative 3 over 2. That's going to be our gradient. Siap ke? Belum. Why? What equation? So what else did I need to have? How did I want to find my C?
We already have the y. Y is 0.
You are using the point C, isn't it?
Yeah.
You can also use point A. Yes. Cuba. Seorang buat point A, seorang buat guna point C. Cuba tengok dapat tak C yang sama. Okay, saya guna point A Y 9 equals to guna. Gradient here is going to be negative 3 over 2. Our x here is going to be negative 3. And we are going to find our C here. Wah, yang ni susah sikit. Sama je. Sama ke? Siapa guna ni point A? Negative, positive. So 3 over 2, I times by 3. I'm going to get 4, 1 over 2. Bring to the other side. So 9 minus with answer. I'm going to get 4, 1 over 2. Which is, I'm going to get my C here is going to be 4 times 2, 8 plus 1, 9 over 2.
9 over 2.
Sama? Sama so we got already our equation of straight line. Y equals to gradient is going to be negative 3 over 2x plus with 9 over 2. Can, girls? Kejap. Okay, we are going to find our equation of line BD. BD kat mana? Okay, tengah-tengah. Macam mana nak tengah-tengah? If you look there, girls, there, BD. What do you have there? We have our perpendicular. So how did we want to relate?
M1, M2 equals to negative 1.
Yes, you have your what? Just now. Ni kan, kita ada AC kan? So we can have over here the gradient of AC. If we times with the gradient of BD, we are going to get negative 1. Betul tak? So gradient AC mana tadi?
Negative 3 over 2.
Negative 3 over 2. This is going to be our gradient AC. So I can find the gradient of BD. Can or cannot?
Can.
How?
Bawa sebelah M.
Bawa sebelah. Okay. Boleh. So we have over here negative 3 over 2 times with our gradient of warna apa saya pakai? Warna merah. Okay. Nak juga equals to negative 1. So bring everything here to the other side. So you the gradient for our BD this one. We are going to find the BD here. It's going to be negative 1 times with what happened to our fraction here? Negative 2 over 3. So negative, negative, positive. Your
2/3.
yes, it's going to be 2 over 3. After that, what must we find? Huh? We are going to have our y equals to mx plus c kan?
Yeah, we
Ah.
try to see.
How did we want to find our c? Did we have the point B or point D there?
No.
No. Yes. Why we use point M?
Because it's point B.
It lies on our straight line. When lies on our straight line, so it's going to be satisfied our equation. Boleh? Boleh? Okay. So, mana M kita tadi? Negative 1, 6. Negative 1 over 6?
Yes.
Mana ada? Negative 1, 6.
Alamak, people make mistake.
Of course. Especially an exam. Y and 6 equals... Yes? Is it my statement is wrong?
No.
2 over 3. That's why like kita learn. Learn from mistake. If we didn't do any mistake, how we are going to learn?
Yeah.
Cikgu menang, cikgu menang. Oh, bukan perempuan selalu menang ke?
Boleh.
Malah dah. Oh, dengan saya tak boleh menang Okay. 2 over 3 times negative 1, you are going to get negative 2 over 3. Bring to the other side, you are going to get... Tambahlah. 6 tambah dengan 2/3 lah kan? Got the answer. Gunalah awak punya kalkulator yang hebat tu.
Negative 20 over 3.
C, you're going to get 20 over 3. So you can have your equation of straight line going to be y equals to, gradient here is going to be 2 over 3 x. Then your C here going to be 20 over 3. Apa dia? Oh, korang mengutuk aku
Mana ada?
Okay, can I proceed? I cannot. Oh boy, cannot kau. Okay, if you look at the question, find the coordinates of our B. How we are going to find our B? Kalau, okay, if you look there, okay, our equation of straight line is given in our questions AB. Betul tak?
Betul.
How you are going to relate with the second equation we have over here? You have the equation of our straight line apa ni tadi? BD. So what we have there?
So we have two equations lah.
Two equations that are going to be
Triangle. I cannot figure the kataan.
you have AB, you have BD. Apa yang
Data.
intersect. Kan dia intersect dekat B. Intersect. Kan? So what you are going to have here? What will you have over here?
M1, M2 is negative.
Intersect bukannya M1, M2.
Intersect.
Intersect.
Y equals to 0.
Means that your X and Y here going to be the same lah for our intersection there. For our point B. Which means okay. Which means where's our equation just now? Okay, the first equation you have y equals to 6x plus 18 kan? Y equals to 6x plus 18. Your first equation which is for our straight line apa tu tadi? AB kan? AB. Then we have our second equation here. Y equals to 2 over 3x plus 20 over 3. Mana? Ni, yang ni. Mana AC? Yang tu BD. Second equation here you got BD. You nampak tak dua-dua ni?
Nampak?
Apa?
Ni elimination semua tu.
Ni.
Oh, same.
Kan sama. So you can simplify by using what? Ada 3 lah method. Tapi of course lah you tak nak guna method yang ketiga. Yes. Either substitute or elimination. So how you are going to do here?
Question 2 minus question 1.
Question. Equation 2. Okay. For me, I'm going to make my second equation there become, I don't want the fraction.
Times 3.
Yes, good. So I'm going to get my second equation here. I'm going to times by 3. When I times by 3, if you look over here, you're going to get 3y equals to 2x plus 20. Got it?
Got it.
Okay, you got your third equation from our second equation. Kan? Okay, so if you look over here, I'm going to what? Compare the first equation and third equation, right? Nak guna apa? Elimination ke nak guna substitution? Elimination. So you want to eliminate your x or you want to eliminate your y? Choose. X. Okay, so if you want to eliminate x, you look at our first equation, 6x. Your third equation is 2x. What happened here?
Times 3.
Times 3. So our third equation again, we are going to times by 3. Berapa kali dah? Iyalah. Because you are going to make your 2 become 6 kan? So you're going to get over here 9y equals to 6x plus with 20 times 60. So you're going to get your fourth equation. No, pula dah. So just now you want to eliminate x kan? So now if you look here, sama tak? The first and our fourth equation. So what happened here?
Minus.
Yes, you are going to take your fourth equation minus with our first equation. Saya muat je, banyak lagi ruang.
Baik. Apa yang hantu kepala je tu?
Bukan, gelap, tak nampak. Nanti nampak dalam screen. 9y minus y, you're gonna get 8y. 6x minus 6x, you're gonna get 0x. 60 minus 18. 42. So, can I have my y? Yeah, decimal. 42 divided by 8, I'm gonna get 5.25 or 4 times 5, 21 over 4. Boleh. Can, after we have our what?
Substitute masuk.
We are going to find our x. So, mana nak ambil yang mana?
Equation.
Mana-mana?
Cikgu rasa mana the best?
Saya ambil. Bagi aku pilihan pula. First lah. Kan? First lah. Sebab kalau second tu dia ada fraction. Third one here, I got 3 dengan 4 tak boleh nak simplify. So easy one, we are going to subs into our first equation. This one we are going to subs into our first equation. Y here you're going to get 21 over 4 equals to of course lah 6x plus 18. Bawa 18 pergi sebelah jadi negatif. So just now we have 5 1 over 4 minus with 18. I'm going to get negative 7 divide by 6. So I'm going to get over here 8 times 2 16 17. Dapat tak? Negative 17 over 8. Okay, guna
Ya,
calculator.
dapat. Negatif over 8.
Kalau tak dapat, saya tunjuk. Dapat tak?
Dapat, bos.
Kalau tak dapat, saya tunjuk. Tak dapat dah. Ada orang tak mengaku. Bring here. So 21 over 4 minus 18 equals to 6x. Dah kenapa? Then we bring 6 to the other side. You dapat jawapan tu, you divide by 6. Then you got the answer here. Negative 17 over 8. Is it we answer our question?
No, yes. They want the coordinate.
Yeah, the coordinate of what?
The coordinate of B.
So you got already negative 17 over 8 with 21 over 4. That's going to be our coordinates. Wah, panjangnya. Ini panjang sikit. Nombor 3 Bukan sikit, banyak. Ha? Tak ada markah itu. Tidak lagi.
Baik. Dia ada di rumah banyak tadi. Ha? Dia dah tengok 1.5.
Kenapa?
Dah balik.
Balik pukul?
2.
Lambat lagi.
Cikgu lagi minta topik.
Ha?
Lagi 2 topik.
Ya. Dua lagi? 7.3, 7.4. Okay. So I think the number 3 you can the number 3 C you can do. So I proceed to the next one.